Hi friends, I am speaking your friend Prabhakaran. Now I am telling about the tutorial of how to insert the data to the database, how to insert and update and delete the data from the database. This project used to do the how to create the new project, new the software also. If you are listening this project means you should learn how to create a new type of softwares. So many concepts you will be learning this this video. First I'm telling about first we should open the Visual Studio. I'm open it. Now I am creating one new project. First goes to file menu and then click new and then go to create project. The form is opening. The Visual C#. I am creating one project by using the Visual C# and then Windows Form. I am declaring the project name here. The project name data entry. For example I am declaring data entry. Data entry. I am declaring source. Click OK. The data entry project created, the form also open. Just I am declaring the title to this project in this form. I need the label. First I am declaring label. The text, just I am declaring title. Insert update daily data from database. The font size also change, fore color also change here. The font size, there is the font here, just click and then size also I'm changing here. Bold, it will be goes to 12. Just come to 12 and then also changing the title. It's enough. The format of form color also I'm changing here. Just to go to background color. I'm clicking here and then open the project color, declaring the customs and then click OK. The form also changed here. Now I am declaring the 5 fields. Now I am declaring 5 field out of 6 field I am inserting the database. So we should declaring the label here 5 field on Ctrl C, Ctrl B, and then also the 6 field available. This time align here. Then select all and then goes to fore color. Fore color also, font size also changing here. Font size bold and then 10. Now I am declaring to this name also. This time zip it and then first I am declaring name to this one. This is called ID, and then second one declaring name, and then third one declaring gender, and then fourth one declaring age, one declaring salary, and then sixth one declaring tax. Okay, the 5 fields set here, and then also set the text box, okay, to each field. Okay, now first I am called here the text box. Okay, and then this copy to C, control V, and then V. Second one, third one I am declaring here, and then also fourth one, and then also fifth one. Okay, this one I am deleted. I am declaring here to the gender. I am declaring combo box. Okay, combo box available here. Just copy and paste here. The text box selected, and then extend its on. Okay, extend, control S. Okay, now I am declaring each field to the text box, and then also declare should be button click event. Okay, so we should the button click event also here. I am declaring the button click where I want to declare. Okay, I goes to the button. Whenever clicking the save and then update and then delete that one, declaring for that purpose, control V, control V. Okay, for 4 field I need, so I am declaring 4 buttons. Okay, now I am declaring the 4 button here. The size should be increased as, and then also this one. Okay, I am declaring this one. First I am declaring to this name, save for inserting data, and then to this one, update, and then to this one, delete, and then to this one, to this one, view, to visual the grid view. Okay, okay, I am declaring the 4 buttons to here. Now I am changing the font size also for clarity. Okay, if you want to change the background color also, you should be change here, and for color also, the font color also you can change here. This time goes to declaring button color. Background color should be green. Sorry, it's not like look like. It's also not look like. And then goes to okay. It's not like look like. The 4 color I'm changing here. It will be button easy, button highlight. Okay, it's to known clearly. Okay, control S. Now I need the grid view to view the data from the database. Okay, so I am declaring the grid data grid view. So I am go to data grid view and declaring here. See, the data grid view came here. We need the 5 fields, so 6 fields in this space. So goes to declaring the 6 fields. And then clicking here. Okay, thank you. Now I am designing this one. Okay, now friends, I am designing this project. Okay, now we want to create the database to enter the data from software to database. Okay, now first you should open the database. Okay, now I am creating one database. Go to Server Explorer and then go to menu view and then Server Explorer. The Server Explorer came here. Okay, now the data connection available. So the mouse right click and then add new connection, create new SQL database. Okay, SQL Server database, and then click server name. Okay, the server name you can type here, or if you don't know means the server name, you just click the dot, the server name automatically taken. Okay, and then click the data entry, the database name. Okay, I am declaring the database name data entry. Okay, see, now here open data entry. Okay, the database opened here. Okay, and then goes to table. Now I am clicking right click here from the table and then add new table. Okay, first I need the ID. I am declaring to this one integer tab, and the name. See, available here ID, name, gender, age, salary, tax, 6 field available. So I am declaring to the database also 6 field. Okay, ID and the name I am declaring varchar condition, so the string condition, so I am declaring varchar 50 only I needed, so I am just declaring this one. And next one field gender. Okay, gender I am declaring also varchar condition, varchar, and then also declaring age. That's why I am declaring integer, the number value. Okay, so I am declaring integer, and then salary, and then declaring to this one float. The salary will be available in point value also, so I am declaring float condition. Okay, float, and then tax also available in point value, so I am declaring also float. Control S. Now I am save it. The table name should be declared here entry. Okay, I am declaring register. Okay, register. Okay, I am declaring the name of to this database of table register. The table name is register. Okay, just click. See, the register came here. The data of columns also, database of columns also came here. The table of data column. Okay, having the 6 field. Okay, whenever clicking the save button, the time that this each text box of value should be saved on the database, and then when update this data, the time the data will be updated, and then deleted means it will be deleted, and then whenever clicking the view, the time the data all called to the data view. Okay, now I am goes to how to view the data. Okay, first I want to save the data. Okay, the time only the data will be visible in this data view. Okay, now I am go to click the double click the see how to insert the update and delete data from database, this project or concept. Now first click the save button, double click on the save button, double click the button you want to open here. First we should declare here the library function using y means the query called here, so that purpose you are using the query concept, so we are using here library function. See, using system dot data dot SQL client. Okay, we are declared here, and then we should call here connection. Okay, the database connection, the database data entry connection. Goes to right click the property window opened here. The connection thing also available here. Just double click here, Ctrl C, and then click the connection here, SQL data connection, SQL connection. SQL connection. I am declaring the variable name connection equal to new connection between double quotation control key. The connection paste here. Okay, this term goes to here and copy the database name and declaring here. Okay, then whenever clicking the save, that time the data will be saved. The text box of each text box of data saved to the database. Okay, see the data inserted by the save button. Okay, double click the event to open the button number 1. Okay, so I am declaring a SQL data adapter, send and retrieve the database. Okay, so data from the database. Okay, so we are using the data adapter. Read means reader only. Okay, it can read the data. Command means command only. We are using that purpose. Okay, now I am using here data adapter. Okay, data adapter. I am declaring the variable into this one SDA equal new data adapter. Okay, I am declaring here the query to insert that. First we should open the, sorry, I am not declaring here. First we should open the connection dot open. So see ma'am, here clicking the pink color, so we should the close function. Okay, close function bracket. Whenever the scene that pink color image, that time we should open, we should follow the close function bracket. Okay, okay, now connection open and then declaring here SQL query for inserting the data. Insert between two quotation, insert into the register, insert into register what data of ID. See the 6 field. Okay, in the database of 6 field. Okay, each field we should insert in the field. Okay, comma name, comma gender, and then comma age, and then salary, and then tax. Okay, I am declaring here. Then the data should be saved, but from which data want save here? I am declaring the value of field. Okay, values of single quote, double quote, and then plus plus, double quote, single quote, comma. The ID, see the ID came here. The ID text box 1, the ID text box 1, see the text box 1, the name is text box 2, see the name text box 2, the gender comma box 1, age 3, and text box 3, text box 4, and text is text box 5. Okay, so I goes to here, first declaring text box 1 ID. First I am declaring here ID, so I am declaring here text box 1 dot text. Okay, just copy and then paste it. Control C, Control V. Having 6 field. Okay, and second field declared, third field declared, fourth field declared, fifth field and sixth field. Okay, just I'm changing the text box value only. 5, 4, 3, and then here declaring 2. Now you should use the comma box. Why means the third one is combo box. Okay, combo box 1. So I'm declaring a combo box. Combo box 1 dot text. Okay, control this. Now the error available. Why means the connection not called here. So I'm declaring called in this place. Okay. One connection. Okay, control this. The connection not error here, not through here. And then final we should declaring SDA dot selected command dot execute null query. Why means the data should be executed from this place. Okay, and then we should close the connection dot close. The pink color show here, so the function bracket open and close it. Okay, control this. When I will save the data, that time the message also we want show on this place. So I am declaring the message box dot show. The pink color show here in the image. Okay, so I am declaring open and close bracket close. What you need the message in this message box, so I am declaring here between two quotation the string available on the message box. Okay, just save successfully. Okay, small letters and change here as then if you need any also declare. Okay, control this. Okay, now I am declaring how to insert the data. Okay, first I am declaring to the courier how to insert the data to the database. Okay, I am just run it how to do the data run. See, first I am showed on the database. Okay, see the database of register table. See the null value available each columns. Okay, in this row null value available. See execute. So again also null value. Now I am declaring the runtime. In this runtime I am declaring the data to save. Okay, insert to the database. First I am declaring 1 and the name is I am declaring just Prabha. Okay, and then mail. Sorry, I am not in declaring it. So I am goes to the declaring that one the combo box design. Default time, if you want to edit means just here edit male, enter female, both field available. So okay, just click OK. Now I am declare this one. The grid view also edit field and enable field we remove here. Just OK, control S. Now I am go to run it. Whenever clicking the save button, that time the data is inserted into the database. Okay, see I am run it. First I am declaring 1 and then tab name Prabha and then male and female came here. See, okay, male and then age 24, salary 10,000, tax 250. Okay, now I am save it. What happened here? The syntax error. Why means syntax and this will do the close video. Okay, and then execute command. Where it? Just 1 second. And then again run 1 250 tags insert 1 near to the insert the data. So what is the procedure? Incorrect syntax in 1, where I am declaring which one. This time goes to the 1 text box proba, and then comma box also came. Okay, and then each field came here. 250, 10,000, 24, each one came here. So it will come out. Okay, control this, and goes to declare this one 1 and draw 1, and then gender name, and then name 24, and then salary 10,000, and then tax 250. Okay, now I save it. The message will be okay, and open and close here. Execute now. Okay, now goes to run it. SDA1 here, and declaring the values and giving the 1. Incorrect syntax 1. Text box 2, comma box 1, text box C, text box 1, text box 5. And stop it and save. Execute selected command function and declare in this space. Okay, now it goes to the best time reference space, just 1 minute for the open, and then goes to the next one. Okay, now the data is submitted. Okay, the data is again the done. And then click on this space function. Okay, and then okay, thank you. Okay, insert into register. Okay. Insert into register salary. Okay, tax, salary, exams, okay, change, enter name, and then okay. Now I'm going to run it. This time clicking the value 1. Now I am declaring the database to the string name 1, distinction 2, then name, and then need 24, and then salary 10,000, and then tax 250. Just to save it. Saved successfully. Okay, saved successfully. The data saves. Okay, now see again now the data saved here, and then again same 3, and then change the name here, Akash, then male, age also same, the salary will 11,000. okay, and then tax 300. okay, now I am save it. There is saved successfully. okay, the message also show here. See, now whenever clicking the view button, that time the data came from the database to data grid view. okay, now it not come. I am goes to declaring another one. See, the data goes and execute here. Just go and then database execute the the data table. The data is not here came. okay, now executed it one. The Prabha and the Akash came in this place. okay, the data is inserted to the database. okay, now I am goes to the design page. Now when I am clicking the view button, that time the data view from the database to data grid view. okay, now I am declaring view button, double click, open the view. Now button click event, view button click event, fourth button. okay, now the event of the code SQL. okay, first we open the connection dot open and then SQL data adapter. okay, just copy and paste it, then query only change it. okay, see, just copy and paste this message, Control C and declaring Control V. the query only change it. select star means all. okay, all, select all from register table. okay, from the database register. okay, select all from register and then fill here. Fill in this place data table. Data table means data, the variable name, and then equal to new data table. We want get the data table, the data sub select all the registers. So I am declaring the data table variable name also data. okay, just close it. okay, we need not the execute query. okay, now the SDA of the data source from the register dot fill function close and open and close the fill on the table of data variables. see, the data I am declaring here. okay, the SDA, the selected command of SDA dot fill the table to the table. okay, the data I am declaring here. okay, and then data grid view, data grid view 1 dot data source equal data. okay, and declared it, and then the message box need not, remove it and then save it. now all the data of the registered table came to the data grid view. I'm going to run it. Whenever clicking the view button, that time the data show on the grid view. okay, see, two data available on the database. So the data came here, the Akash and Prabha only. I am saved it and then retrieve on the data grid view. okay, now I am goes to update and then delete concept on the to this project. Okay, now how to update and delete the form. Okay, first I'm going to click the update. Okay, just click the update. Now I'm just copy and paste it, the select insert query, Control C, and then click in the place, Control V. Now I'm declaring here query to the save and update. Okay, now we should declare the with respect to ID or anyone we should update it. Okay, now update register, update register, save values. Okay, text box to name, set name equal text box 2, and then gender equal combo box 1, and then age equal text box 3, and then salary equal text box 4, and then tax equal text box 5. The update of data with respect to the where condition. Okay, I am declaring here where with respect to ID equal single quote, double quote, space, double quote, single quote, ID equal text box 1 dot text. Okay, Control S and declared here. See, whenever the data of name and gender and then age and then salary and then tax, all the data updated with respect to the text box 1 of the data. Okay, ID. Okay, see the text box 1 ID. Okay, the update the register data. Okay, now I am declaring here updated. The when I updated the data, that time the message box showing, then is this message now the okay, successfully completed. See, I am going to run it. See the view button. We want declaring the we want to declare the data when clicking the grid view. That time the data should be open on the text box. So okay, now I am declaring to this one how to, when clicking the data grid view of rows, the second one click means the data of all the field came to the in the text box. So I am declaring here, just to see design page, grid view, the selected mode, where is the selected mode, full row selection, and then event, mouse double click event. Whenever clicking the mouse double click, that then the data of all the rows, should be open on the text box. Okay, I am declaring here mouse double click event, they have opened here. Okay, I am declaring the text box dot text equal data grid view 1 dot selected rows 0 cells 0 dot value dot toString. Okay, this is the format of the when you are clicking the data grid view. The 0 and 0 means row 0 and then cell 0. Okay, and then again Control C, just Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, 6 field values, so I'm declaring 6 fields. Okay, second one, second text box, and then cell 1, and then third one is the combo box, so I'm declaring combo box, combo box, combo box on dot text. Okay, this cell is 2, and then this one 3, and then this one 4, and then this one 5. See the big view of 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. So I am declaring 0 1 2 3 4 5 cells. Okay, 0 means the row of 0, full row 0. So okay, okay, now I am declaring this one, and then combo box, and then this one text box 3, and then this text box 4, and this text box 5. Okay, now this one, now when I was clicking the button, that time the data came to the C, and view it, and then double click, the data came here. Now we want already declared the update query. Okay, now I am changing the name, full name, and Prabhakaran. Okay, okay, and then it also now change the salary also, just 20,000. Okay, now I updated this one. See the data of 10,000 and 250, and then Prabha only available in this grid view. Now I am declaring this one, change the value updated here. Okay, update, I am clicking update, and it's error here. Okay, what is that? And goes just on update one, just go for name equal text box to 1, and then place. Okay, and then so on. Text box, and then text box 5, and this one. Okay, 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 open bracket and close bracket, only one available, they do not need. Okay, Control S. Okay, I'm run it. So I stop and run it. See that view, and then double click, and then declaring Prabha, and then salary also change here, 20,000. Okay, 250 not 400. Okay, just updated here, updated successfully came here. See, and then now clicking view button, the data should be changed the Prabhakaran, and then mail 24, and then 20,000, the 400 tax. Okay, now it's updated also. And then we need the inserted the third one, that record means again also you declare here. Just I am changing the Prabhakaran. Yes, okay, see, and save it. Okay, saved, and then view each one. The Prabhakaran third one came here. Okay, if you need another one means just I am double click and just to change the record one and save. Okay, it's not changing here. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, now clicking here Arcos k. Okay, the updated means updated successfully. See, I'm going to view records k, and then 1 came here. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 records came in this place, and then again also I'm declaring fourth record one. Okay, I'm declaring the name in this place, Preeti. Okay, Preeti, and then age 22, and then update, save. Now the record came here, fourth one record. Okay, the inserted also, updated also completed, and then view also completed. Now declaring the delete query. Okay, and then clicking the data deleted, that time the data will be removed from the database, and then also in this grid view. Okay, and first time goes to remove the data. Okay, see, go to design page. When I clicking the delete button, okay, and click the double click in this delete button. See, and the query copy and paste in this place. Control C and then Control V, function to copy here and delete from the register. Delete from register where condition also available. Delete from register where condition here. Okay, delete from register where ID equal text box. Okay, 1 with respect to text box 1, that time only the data will be removed from the database. Okay, and then executed, and the connection closes. The deleted successfully. This is also showed in this place. Deleted. Okay, Control S. Now see the run it. Now I'm view x1. See, I'm run it one. First I need not add record, so I'm declaring here deleted. Okay, 2 records deleted by the with respect to third one. Okay, so deleted, and then fourth also we need not double click. See the first text box, the fourth one, so deleted with respect to fourth one. See, view, the data is only fourth also deleted. Okay, the data is also deleted. So listen friends, now I am told to you how to insert so now the save the fourth one, and then click OK. Now see, view it, fourth one register. Now updated means just goes to register. I'm clicking yes, Preeti yes. Okay, updated here. See, updated successfully. The Preeti yes also came here. Just click view button. The Preeti yes updated. Okay, then Preeti is a female, so I'm declaring female, and also updated this one. Updated successfully. Just click view button. The female change here. Okay, so if you need not the fourth record means just double click the second record. If you need not means just click second one, double click on the data view. This full row available. Okay, and then delete this format. Deleted successfully. Just click view, the second one closed. Okay, from deleted from the database. Okay friends, now I am told to you how to insert, update and delete data from the database. Okay, if you learn this concept, that means you will create a new one type of software also you can create it by using this concept. Okay, thank you friends. If you need any concept to learn means just comment to me. Okay, if you many more concepts available. Okay, well, if you want which concept, just comment to me. I will learn and teach to you. Okay, thank you friends. Bye. If you want to know more than this, just subscribe me. Okay, thank you friends. Bye.